Peach Fuzz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple cider donuts. Without further ado, let's get into it. Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. And I'm using the convection oven because I find that works better with donuts. Your molds and putting them on your baking pan. And unfortunately I'm only able to give you a view of one of the molds. But yes, I'm just spreading them out on top of the mold. Now I'm taking some canola oil and I'm using this item. It's usually used to spread egg around something. I don't really know what it's called, but if you recognize it, you should probably use it. If you don't have it, you can just spread it around with your fingers, but yeah. Okay, so I finished oiling all the molds. Okay, so once you've oiled your molds, you're going to combine 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 4th teaspoon of salt, a 4th teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 6/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix this up, and now we're going to set aside. Microwave 3 tablespoons of butter. Once you've microwaved that, in a large bowl, crack 2 eggs.
Make it stream. I don't put it, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring. Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out, but you let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I'll run down on them before I have a running me. Got no style, bite your dip. Ask for a
Once you've whisked your wet ingredients, you're going to slowly add your wet ingredients to dry. Your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients.
For a thing, he already made his mind up for you. Now get your boots, hang your coat. It's wet, keep out a phone.
So going back to your molds, you're going to slowly add the mixture to your molds and try and make them all the same size. When your donuts are in the oven, microwave 4 tablespoons of butter. Microwave your butter in a separate container. Pour some sugar and cinnamon in a small. Now, after we've set aside our mixtures that we just made, I'm popping out my donuts from their mold. This is what they should look like. So I took all my donuts out of their molds. They all look super nice, but now it's time for the toppings. I'm just sticking with a simple topping. So with your butter mixture, you're just going to dunk them. And I think that's where they got the inspiration for dunking donuts. Even though the photo for the Dunkin' Donut thing is Dunkin' Coffee, you always dunk them in. So once you've dunked them in this, you're going to immediately put it in the cinnamon sugar mixture so that it can stick to it. So this is how they look when they're done. Yes, you can be extra fancy and put some apple stuff on it, but I just wanted to go simple. And when I tried them, they were super good. And yeah, this is just a really quick and easy way to make donuts. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. If you don't subscribe, the fuzzy peaches will come for you. Not really, but